Hello everyone! Welcome back to Burnt and Delicious. Today we are going to make homemade pumpkin spice latte. It's great for fall mornings or just when you want to enjoy pumpkin spice. Let's get started. And here it is, our homemade pumpkin spice latte. It smells like a pumpkin with cinnamon. Okay, let's try it. Delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment below and press a like button. Your support means a lot. See you in the next one.